Hey guys, Scott Reviews. Welcome back to another lens video for the X-M5 for Fuji. And today we're talking about the TTArtisan 35mm 1.8 lens. Price has changed, so as of right now, I find on Amazon for this and on their website for this. So you decide which one you want to go for. But links will be down below. Here is the wonderful box from TTArtisan, black and sexy. Here is the lens right here. It is metal construction. I did add a filter on the front right now, so I'll tell you the filter size. Filter size is 52 millimeters. And I do like the metal. Almost the same size, really. Except this one kind of like contours in right here. So that's kind of nice when you grab it. You have a little something to grab onto and kind of locks your finger in here. Then you can, if you're not using it, you can reverse it. Something like that, while you store it in your bag. So again, 35mm, which is equivalent to almost a 50mm look on a full frame sensor. The weight of this guy is a little bit heavier. It's about almost 200 grams. And the max aperture is f/16. We got 10 elements going on with 9 different groups. So let's go take some photos with this one. Again, we'll compare with other lenses and then let me know what you think.
Stay right here. I've been waiting on this day for years. I'm home here in your arms. No more souvenirs, no more distance left to interfere. I'm home here in your arms. And I'm never leaving, I told you from the start. Take me by the hand and I won't let go. Tell me once again what I already know. And for every moment in time, wherever I go, I want you by my side. Oh my love, when I look in your eyes, I see the rest of my life.
And I do like that 50mm look. I think it's more usable than the 57. I think you'll get more use out of this guy than you will this guy, but it really depends on what you're doing. But if you're taking like street photography stuff, this will play into more. Even a 27 or a wider lens might be better for that, but I'm just saying that for everyday camera lens, I think the 35 is a good mark to hit. All right, again, the look, take the cap off, take off the hood, because I carry it mostly like this. I don't use the hood too much, but it's a nice look on the X-M5. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments below. I do like the metal feel. I do like how it caves in right here to grab onto, so you can kind of grab the camera. If you have just 2 fingers on it, go back to your other hand. So if you got to hold it really quick with one hand, you can go right back to it, grab the grip here. That does help. I like the metal construction, nice, very smooth focus ring. Sound for the autofocus. Shh. Actually, the 56 was a little bit louder, had a little more clunkiness to it. I think it's a little bit quieter than the 56. Just saying, just saying. All right, that's it for this one. We'll come back again for another lens review and what it looked like on the Fuji X-M5. Let's go.